Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Shiba Inu from Gemini to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're holding SHIB on Gemini and want to move it to a secure wallet like Trust Wallet for better control, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Crypto transactions are irreversible. First things first, make sure you have what you need. You'll require a Gemini account with some Shiba Inu tokens, the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone, and a basic understanding of crypto wallets. If you're new, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account on the web or app. Navigate to your dashboard and find your Shiba Inu balance. Click on Withdraw next to SHIB. Step 2. In the Withdrawal section, select Shiba Inu as the asset. You'll need to enter a recipient address. That's where Trust Wallet comes in. Open your Trust Wallet app, go to the SHIB token, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip. Always verify the network. For SHIB, it's usually Ethereum, ERC20. So ensure Gemini and Trust Wallet are on the same network to prevent errors. Step 3. Back in Gemini, paste the Trust Wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Review all the details carefully, double-check the address to avoid sending funds to the wrong place. Step 4. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to complete two-factor authentication for security. Once approved, the transfer should process within minutes, depending on network congestion. Step 5. Head over to your Trust Wallet app and refresh the SHIB balance. Voila, your tokens should appear. If there's a delay, don't panic. Just monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A quick word on potential issues. If you encounter errors, it might be due to incorrect networks or insufficient fees. Always start with a small test transfer if you're unsure. By 2025, crypto interfaces might have even more user-friendly updates, but these basics stay the same. There you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred your Shiba Inu to Trust Wallet. This gives you full control over your assets, perfect for staking or trading. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.